Hey, Eli? Eli! What's this? That Justin Bieber?
You guys are just hating because you're not believers.
I have an idea. Let's practice some derivatives for our upcoming calculus test. Nah, let's just watch some TV. Alright. Alright, let's go. Let's see what's on TV.
Hello, and welcome to Man vs. Calculus. Today, we're taking on the rough terrain of my backyard. This area is teeming with calculus, so you need to make sure your self-confidence is high when you come here. I haven't done my homework for the past couple of days, and I need to learn the definition of a derivative and its alternate form. Hold up. Fuck! This right here! Oh, this is what we need. Oh. Oh. See this? Oh. The native math nerds used to use these to make finding the derivative as complicated as possible. You see, the definition allows you to find a function that can give the slope of a tangent line to a function f of x at any point in its domain by finding the limit as delta x goes to 0 of this expression. Now, the alternate form allows you to directly find the slope of the tangent line to the graph of f at any particular point c. As a matter of fact, these are rich in self-confidence and understanding, and is a vital part if you wish to survive in my backyard. Oh, that reeked of calculus. Nothing to do now but drink my own urine. Excuse me. No. Who wants to see that?
Change the channel. I'm way ahead of you.
I have come for your guidance.
Why do you disturb me in my time of mastering the art of derivatives?
I am in trouble, Sensei. I have attempted to approach calculus as simply a memorization of new formulas.
This is unfortunate. You must respect the formula. Here, try and take the formula from my hand. If you do, you will gain a greater knowledge of the concept, as well as you will gain much satisfaction.
I see I am not yet ready to finish my POW.
Yes, and now what I would like to... No! Here, let me show you the concepts of the power rule and the chain rule. The power rule is used to take the derivative with respect to x of any x to the power of n. First, bring n down as the coefficient of x. Then subtract 1 from n to get your new power. The chain rule is used to take the derivative with respect to x of f of g of x. This is achieved by plugging in g of x into the derivative of f of x, then multiplying by the derivative of g of x.
I think I am ready now.
Yes, you are, and good luck on your AP test. Hey, that guy looks just like me.
Yeah, he does.
And these are the same set that Bear Grylls did.
Yeah, this is kind of freaking me out. Let's change the channel.
Yeah. I believe in calculus. Nerds have made me smarter. I put my daughter in calculus AV, but recently she's been struggling with derivatives. Mr. Clay has tried to take advantage of this with the pop quiz. Can you give her the knowledge and self-confidence that she needs to overcome this challenge?
This I cannot do. Not once have you invited me to a math lab. You could never read my math notes, and now you come to me for assistance. You come to me on the day of my daughter's AP test, and you never even thought to call me Godwaller.
I'm sorry, Godwaller.
Now I shall teach you about the product rule and the quotient rule. You see, the product rule is used to take the derivative of two functions multiplied together. To do this, you must multiply the first function f of x by the derivative of the second function g of x. Then add that to the second function g of x multiplied by the derivative of the first function f of x. Next, the quotient rule is used to take the derivative of a function f of x, which is being divided by a function g of x. This is done by taking the bottom function g of x and multiplying the quantity by the derivative of the top function f of x. Then subtract the top function f of x multiplied by the derivative of the bottom function g of x. Then take this difference and divide by the bottom function g of x squared. But make sure that g of x does not equal 0. Someday, and that day may never come, I shall call upon you for help on my POW. But until that day, accept this lesson as a gift of my daughter's AP test.
Thank you, Godmother.
Why is this all about calculus?
Maybe this is a sign that we should study for the test.
Yeah, I told you guys.
Yeah, I guess let's do it.
Okay.